In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ticket in HubSpot. First, you will need to sign in to HubSpot. This is your gateway to managing your customer relationships effectively. On the login page, enter your email and password associated with your HubSpot account. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button to access your dashboard. You will see a clean interface that provides various options for managing your tickets, contacts, and other CRM features. It's important to ensure that you are logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you are logged in, you are ready to navigate to the Tickets section. Next, go to CRM and then select Tickets. This section is where all your tickets are organized and displayed. The CRM option is usually located in the top navigation bar. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, find and click on Tickets. This will lead you to a list of all the tickets you have created or received. Each ticket typically contains details about customer inquiries or issues, making it vital for your workflow. By accessing this section, you can manage and track your customer interactions efficiently. Now click the ticket you want to delete. This action is crucial as it allows you to focus on the specific ticket you want to remove. Once you click on the ticket, you will see all of its details, including the status, priority, and any notes attached to it. Take a moment to review the ticket to ensure it is indeed the one you wish to delete. This step helps prevent any accidental deletions, which can save you a lot of trouble later. Once confirmed, you are ready to proceed to the next action. In the upper right corner, click Actions. This button is essential for managing your ticket options. When you click on Actions, you will see a drop-down menu with various options related to the ticket. These may include editing the ticket, changing its status, or of course deleting it. This step is significant because it centralizes all actions related to the ticket in one convenient menu. It makes managing your tickets much more efficient. By clicking Actions, you will gain access to the deletion feature, which is your next step. Select Delete from the drop-down menu. This is where the actual deletion process begins. You will see a prompt that asks you to confirm your choice. Deleting a ticket is a serious action, so make sure that this ticket is no longer needed in your system. This step is important because it keeps your ticket list organized and free from unnecessary clutter. If you are confident that you want to proceed, go ahead and select Delete. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. This confirmation step ensures that you really want to remove the ticket from your system. A message will typically appear asking if you are sure about the deletion. Click the confirmation button to finalize the process. Once confirmed, the ticket will be permanently removed from your account. This makes sure your changes are saved and that you won't see that ticket again in your list. Now you have successfully deleted a ticket in HubSpot. This process helps you maintain an organized workflow and ensures that your ticket system reflects your current needs. Remember, keeping your tickets updated is vital for effective customer relationship management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.